China controls 73% of the world's lithium chemical refining. Every EV battery sold in the West passes through a Chinese factory. In January 2027, American law will make most of that lithium ineligible for the $7,500 EV tax credit. Direct Lithium Extraction, DLE, is the technology built to break this dependency. Industrial-scale adsorption columns, ion exchange resins, and membrane filtration systems pull battery-grade lithium from underground brine in hours, not 18 months. Recovery rates exceed 90%. The DLE market reached $1.54 billion in 2026 and is forecast to hit $5.72 billion by 2036, a CAGR of 14%. This is no longer an experimental technology. Commercial deployment has begun. Despite holding less than 7% of global lithium reserves, China built 80% of chemical production capacity through 2 decades of state-backed industrial strategy, equity acquisition, and predatory pricing that undercut every Western refiner. 98% of Australian spodumene, the world's largest lithium producer, was shipped to China for refining in 2023. Australia digs it up. China turns it into battery-grade material. The West buys it back. In January 2027, the IRA's Foreign Entity of Concern rules take full effect. EV batteries refined by Chinese entities lose the $7,500 federal tax credit. Most Western EV batteries are currently non-compliant. DLE is the only technology fast enough to fix it. Traditional lithium brine extraction requires vast evaporation ponds, covering hundreds of square kilometers. In the Atacama Desert, ponds take 12 to 18 months to concentrate lithium. They consume enormous water volumes in some of Earth's most fragile ecosystems. Over 70% of global lithium deposits cannot be economically extracted using evaporation ponds. Wrong climate, too dilute, or wrong geology. DLE works on every single one of them. DLE passes lithium-rich brine through a selective filter, an adsorbent resin, ion exchange column, or semi-permeable membrane that captures lithium ions while other minerals pass through. Output is battery-grade lithium carbonate ready for cell manufacturing without further refining. 3 DLE technology families are competing. Adsorption systems use manganese or titanium oxide sorbents. Ion exchange systems use synthetic resin beads. Membrane systems use selective polymer films. Each is optimized for different brine concentrations and chemistries. EnergyX has raised over $200 million developing membrane DLE. Lilac Solutions uses ion exchange. Summit Nanotech uses adsorption. All 3 reached commercial pilot stage by 2025. The market has multiple viable technology paths. The Smackover Formation in Arkansas is North America's most significant DLE deployment zone. It hosts world-class lithium brine in the same geological layer that produced oil for decades. The wells, pipelines, and workforce already exist. Standard Lithium and Equinor's joint venture received a $225 million DOE grant in January 2025. Their Southwest Arkansas project targets 45,000 tons of battery-grade lithium carbonate annually. The Arkansas demo plant hit commercial operational milestones in April 2026. Standard Lithium raised $130 million in October 2025, signed its first binding offtake agreement in March 2026, and holds over $1 billion in project finance expressions of interest. First production is targeted for 2028. ExxonMobil entered DLE through its Saltworks subsidiary in Arkansas, receiving royalty approval from the State Oil and Gas Commission in June 2025. Exxon's target: 100,000 tons of lithium annually by 2030, enough for 1 million electric vehicles. DLE has unlocked 2 entirely new lithium sources: geothermal brines from deep hot springs and produced water. the billions of liters of wastewater generated daily by oil fields. Both were previously worthless. Both are now strategic assets. California's Salton Sea, geothermal brine contains enough lithium for approximately 375 million EV batteries. DLE could make California a global lithium supplier without a single open-cut mine or new land disturbance. In Europe, geothermal DLE projects are advancing in Germany, the Czech Republic, and the United Kingdom, extracting lithium from deep geothermal waters already powering district heating networks. Lithium extraction adds revenue with virtually no additional land footprint. For the first time since the 1990s, Western nations can build lithium supply chains on their own territory, from waste streams, using their existing oil and gas workforce, without shipping a single ton to a Chinese refinery. The DLE market will grow 271% by 2036. Every ton extracted by Western DLE is 1 ton that does not flow through a Chinese refinery. The geopolitical arithmetic is simple. DLE is not future technology. Standard Lithium's El Dorado demonstration plant in Arkansas hit commercial milestones in April 2026. The Aquatech DLE unit at its core is operating a full brine to lithium carbonate flow sheet at commercial scale. Can DLE scale fast enough to break China's refining monopoly before the January 2027 FEOC cliff? Tell us below. Subscribe, because when Standard Lithium's Southwest Arkansas project produces its first commercial ton in 2028, we will be there.